In November of this year, St. Mike's asked First Robotics if we could start a robotics team. Why? Because robots are cool. Robots are part of your future. We can learn a lot about technology by building robots. And along the way, we can learn about teamwork and have some fun too. So early this winter, St. Mike's first robotic team was formed. This year's team was comprised of all 8th graders. They went right to work, brainstorming, designing, prototyping, redesigning. Some was done with pencil and paper. Some work was done using high-tech software packages for computer-aided design and programming. They spent time learning the rules of this year's game and quizzing each other. When the programming was done, they had a competition-ready robot.
Smile and wave, you guys. Don't look quite so happy. Oh, hi, Annie. Oh, hi, Rose. Oh, we got the dude back there. We are at the robotic competition. Where are we, Mr. Erdman?
Robotic competition.
We're at the Lake High School. We got some spirit. We haven't competed yet, but we're gonna show you what a round looks like here. And yeah, we've had fun. Okay, bye. See you later.
There's a lot to know about the actual competition. I won't go into too much detail. If you want to find out more, ask a team member. This tournament had 20 teams competing from all over the state, plus North Dakota and Wisconsin. Of the 20 teams, only one other team was made up of middle schoolers. The rest were high schoolers. There were 5 qualification rounds. Each match had 4 teams participating with 2 robots on one side, called the Red Alliance, and 2 robots on the Blue Alliance. Each match was divided into autonomous. That means the robot is running by itself using the code your team's programmers wrote, and teleop. That's the part of the match where your team's drivers use joysticks to control the robot. That's enough talk. Let's look at some video. Here are 2 clips. In one, the programmers go straight ahead, over the cliff. The second goes over the mountain. Watch the other robots too. Your team was very successful, and autonomous was an important reason why.
3, 2, 1, go!
Autonomous.
I like that. 4 robots moving. It looks like a good field, and this is a great field to watch this.
The qualification rounds were hotly contested, but your St. Mike's robotics team rocked. After 3 rounds, they were tied for first place. In the 4th round, they lost communication with the robot during teleop. That's the equivalent of a dropped call. Can you hear me now? The Alliance lost that round. After the last qualification match, your team was in 7th place, but they'd made a great impression on the rest of the teams. That's important because the top 4 teams pick who they want to ally with in the elimination rounds. Out of all the teams available, again, mostly high schoolers, your team was the first one picked as an ally for the finals.
385, who would you like to invite as your alliance partner? We would like to invite team 4644 to be our alliance partner. 4644, can you send a representative up here, please?
She's there. She's there.
Team 4644 graciously accepts.
Team 46.
The elimination rounds were intense. Your team played hard. It took a rubber match, but the Alliance prevailed in the best 2 out of 3 semifinal round to advance to the state championship round. These videos are from an earlier match, but it shows you the team's ability to score. Right now, they're trying to score in the rolling goal. Notice the robot crossing the bridge to try and stop them, but they're too late. In this clip, St. Mike's uses its unique lever arms to capture and control the rolling goal. Balancing a robot and the goal is worth 20 points. The best 2 out of 3 championship round also required a rubber match. In the end, the alliance of Team 3855 from Prior Lake High School and your very own St. Mike's Robotics Adrenaline triumphed. Your team are state champions. If you see them walking the halls, be sure to congratulate them. They worked really hard, played with gracious professionalism, and learned a lot, and had a lot of fun. Maybe in a future year, you can join them.